shower. It's a surprise bridal shower. I just finished making some cheesecake and the cake for the shower. The main cake. It's a red velvet with some vanilla in the middle. I was going to show you guys how I was making the cake, but I am really time constrained. I do not have time. But I'm just about finishing here. Before I step out, I have to make sure there's food in the house. I'm just making some garlic and herb pasta. And I have some salmon. Alright, this is some salmon and yeah, salmon. It has some herbs and some marinade in there, so that's gonna go with the pasta. And there's some salad in the fridge. Added some herbs like parsley, and I put some lemon and pepper in there. I put some seasoned salt, and I think I told you I put some parsley flakes in there. And I also added some meat broth that I have here. I'm going to add a little bit more just to add some flavor. Alright, and I always add white grape juice to my pasta. If it's anything that calls for wine, like Italian food, a lot of Italian food the recipe calls for wine, and I came upon this website a couple of years back where it shows substitutes, and one of the substitutes was white grape juice. So I always add white grape juice to my pasta. Just a little bit in there. Alright. So anything that calls for wine, just get you some grape juice. Alright, even for red wine, I use the red grape juice. I'm going to add some olive oil. It's packed with so much flavor. It is bubbling with flavor. I'm going to try to show you guys my getting ready. I'm going to try to vlog getting ready for the event. And hopefully when I get there, I can vlog a little bit. So, see you soon. Alright, so I served the pasta. I'm just going to add some salmon right here. This looks good. Right here. And let's see. Find a good looking one. Put this little front here. Alright, we're going to serve it with some salad. I'll show you in a bit. Alright, I'm just going to sprinkle some cheese, some Parmesan cheese on top. And that looks good. Just garnish it with some cilantro, like so. Get my dressing. Pero cormo. Just gonna throw some dressing on it. Okay. Alright. Dinner is served. And I'm gonna go get ready. Hey Dazer, so I forgot that I had this cake sitting in the freezer to finish decorating. I put it in the freezer because it's with frosting, and I'm always cooking and the house is usually really warm. So I put it in the freezer to save it. So I have these cookie hearts or strawberry hearts cookies that I'm gonna add. I bought these from Aldi's. I did not make them. So I'm just gonna put them because I am out, so you can see. I have these macarons. Again, I did not make these. I bought these from Restaurant Depot some months back. I happen to have them, so I am going to use them to decorate. These just came out of the box, so they're good. Gold sprinkles. Hajia, go get ready. Did you pray asar? Yeah. Imam, pakai asar ako? No, really? I think we're done. I wanted to have more color to it, but I guess it's okay like this. So we're finally leaving home. Right, Hajia?
Yep.
We're finally leaving home. Alright, we're gonna get beat up today.
Proceed about 1 mile to Shannon Road.
I bet you anything, we are not the last guests to show up. I bet you there are other people who are equally late, if not more late. So
Well, at least we're fashionably late.
Yes. We're fashionably late as usual.
This how she's coming.
You're on my vlog right now. Say salam alaikum. We're waiting for Aisha to come to surprise her. Miss Fifi, say hi. We're here waiting for Aisha Celia. We got a big surprise for her. I have a feeling this one and how is Celia, her sister probably told her.
No.
Like she probably has an idea. Assalamu alaikum, Miss Fatima. Oh.
I would never tell her.
I'm just saying, maybe not you, maybe I should how is Celia?
The avocado.
Never know.
Aisha, I hope they didn't tell you. These two have been talking. Because you know what she said? She said that Aisha said she didn't want to come. Why didn't she want to come?
No, I heard,
Because her and Aisha's sister are always talking. And she said Aisha said she didn't want to come.
they said that, I mean,
I'm sorry.
Did we get you good? Are you surprised?
Yeah, I was trying to go into space for
You had no idea? You had no idea?
I thought we were going to restaurant.
You didn't have the slightest hint? Yes! How much did it give you the slightest hint? Your sister.
My sister said she's going to be there. Said there's no kid.
See, I
crying.
told her.
Crying at
So you didn't bring her?
No.
Girl, you better walk back and go get her.
That's why it was
Food. This is the table. The cakes are gonna go right there. Say hey. Sarah, say hey. We're here at Nina's crib. You're on my vlog. Here's Hawa, my baby. Fix your hijab.
Hey.
Ooh, the lighting here. Ooh, I like the lighting. Okay. Alright.
You know certain people are not in the videos?
Say hey. Oh my goodness, she looks like her mom. Wow, mashallah. Alright, chicken is served, lamb is served, and vermicelli. Everything looks so good. It smells so awesome. Hey, Hawa. Alright, here's my plate. Look at that. It looks so good. I hope I can eat half of it at least.
We are about to. What are we gonna do, Howard? Have the cake. Woo! What's this for? I think I got it. You wanna use my phone? These kids are hungry.
Fatima's half, you should give it to me. Why? You should eat my half. Be like, oh, I saw some crazy mama. You didn't say that. I should have said that. And then the problem is with her now, she's threatening me.
Why? You just ate peanuts.
And then all of that. I said that.
I hate you. Eve.
She has a YouTube channel. That's it.
Here's our piece that we're taking home.
Yes, we're back, and I'm here just washing our knife.
I don't talk like that.
And it's like she's gonna be doing her morning routine tomorrow morning.
No, I'm not. I'm gonna be too exhausted. Alright. Where's your plate? Is it over there? Did you start? Charades. Wait.
No! There's a Statue of Liberty.
New York.
Yeah!
But what am I though? I'm a New Yorker.
New Yorker. Okay.
He got arrested because he was bad to women and he was on Little Bill. He was a Me Too era.
Bill Cosby.
Yes!
Yeah, give me the remote.
Who's that? I don't know who that is.
My teacher, remember, my teacher,
Jen Clark?
who got fired at my school.
Underhill.
No.
Carrie Underhill.
No, the blue.
Hula hoop.
Yeah. Do this when you're yeah, correct.
Scary monster.
No, wait. Look. I'm sleeping.
Nightmare.
Yeah. Mommy, can I come to your room?
Oh, it's snowing and what's that thing?
Snowboarding.
Yes.
I'm playing.
On like a table.
Oh, pool.
Yeah.
Playing guitar.
Yes.
What are we doing?
You are hopping.
No.
You are playing.
No, we're doing.
You are skipping.
Time's up. Can I go next since I'm leaving? Can I go next?
Wait, my score is 8.
It's your turn.
Alright, so who wants to do the shout out?
Me.
Shout out to?
She looks like
I stop.
Hey Dazers, we are back with our shout out box. We have Maysur and Hajia to read the shout out names. Go ahead and shake and pick. Alright, go ahead and pick.
one.
Okay, put it down. Hurry up.
Two.
2, good. 3. Alright, hurry up and read it. Close the box. Alright, read the name and give them to Hajia to read.
M-A.
Okay, give it to Hajia to read. Hajia's turn.
Arabi.
Arabi! Hey! That's my Gambian auntie! Hey! Thanks for all the support. I see you. Every video I see you comment. And I love your comments. Thank you. Next name?
Hawadi.
Hawadi. Okay, give it to Hajia to read.
Maimuna D.
Maimuna D.
What did they say first?
Maimuna. Come here, Belly. That's my girl. I love you, Maimuna. Let's go. What's the last name? Pick the last name. All right, Hajia, read the last name. What is it?
A.
It's Aisha F, right?
Aisha.
Aisha F. That's my girl. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Say bye, Dazers.
Bye.